A classic story of spiraling out over your partner's ex. That's exactly what's happening in brand new film Basic, and we spoke with the stars involved with the project on the South by Southwest red carpet.
The film is titled Basic. What's something basic that you love?
Oh, basic that I love is just, this is a wonderful out-of-body experience, but basic at the same time.
I love it.
Because I'm here with all of you, and that's great.
Like, wow. Oh my God, rom-coms, I don't know.
So good, yeah.
I love romance.
No.
Macaroni and cheese.
Oh my God.
Do
Period. Do you have a specific brand or kind that you're going for?
Okay, so if I'm just like lazy, Amy's.
Okay.
But my mom's mac and cheese is the best, honestly. You have to beg for it. Yeah.
Okay.
Here's something basic about me. I've been wearing the same brand since I was 14 years
I
old.
love that.
And the brand is called Stussy.
Okay.
And I'm wearing it right now. This is Stussy tie-in shirt.
Shout out Susie. Very good.
Yeah, please sponsor me,
Committed
Susie.
to the bit. Susie, if you're listening.
I don't know why food keeps coming to me. I actually, I went a basic turkey sandwich.
Okay, what's going on it though?
Pizza.
Tell me what's on the turkey
And I was
sandwich.
basic.
Just turkey?
Turkey, Swiss, lettuce, tomato.
Mayo or no?
Honestly, not even.
Okay, what kind of bread?
And I just like white.
Okay.
No meat. Don't be crazy.
Basic that I love. Well, I was telling them iced matcha lattes, but I can't order them. The barista can't know it's for me, so I'll have my sister go
Oh my
and order for me.
God. Do you just get like a standard or are you adding a flavor in?
I add a little caramel.
Okay, there you go. I also just got into matcha, so I'm on this train as well. I
Gang,
love
gang,
it.
baby.
I'm getting into rugs right now.
Okay.
I like.
That's very adult of you.
I know. I'm
You're
getting
growing
there.
up.
Yeah, it's over with, man. I like rugs now.
Okay.
I love holiday music like very early in the season.
Oh, okay. I love.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.